beautiful colors and textures of fall are upon us, and we're inspired to create at the Art Center. October is packed with opportunities for young people. Kids can explore their spooky side in our Halloween-themed classes. Kids Clay Wind Chime Ghosts. Young artists will craft their own hand-built wind chime ghost sculptures. This workshop combines creativity with practical skills in pottery, offering a fun and interactive experience. Spooky Polymer Charms. In this pottery class, young people will create the cutest spooky miniature charms made out of polymer clay, learn how to design and sculpt fun creatures, and add an eye pin to attach to a necklace, bracelet, or keychain. Spooky isn't your scene? Then come on down to create a thankful pottery platter or prepare for the winter gift-giving season in one of our holiday gift or snow globe creation classes. Can't decide which class to take? We have just the thing, a fall art sampler class. In this imaginative class, young artists will explore the magical world of fairies and mushrooms using items from nature to create their own whimsical masterpieces out of found objects, clay, paint, and more. This fall, it's not only for the kids. Classes for adult pottery and painting students of all skill levels are beginning in October. Students can join us for acrylic painting, classical oil painting portraitures, or watercolor painting classes. You can also get your hands on some clay with introductory to advanced level pottery classes. We're also offering a wide selection of specialty workshops. Wet felting for beginners? Dive into the tactical and colorful world of wet felting in this beginner-friendly class. Learn the fundamental techniques of wet felting to create beautiful and functional pieces. Whether you want to make unique textiles, accessories, or decorative items, this class will provide you with the skills and confidence to start your felting journey. Alcohol ink. Explore the vibrant world of alcohol ink art in this beginner-friendly course. This comprehensive program will guide you through the essentials from understanding materials and tools to mastering basic techniques and creating stunning artworks. Visit LakevilleAreaArtCenter.com to see details on these classes and many more. Or give us a call at 952-985-4640. We can't wait to see you at the Art Center this October.